Hi guys, it has been a long time. I didn't talk to you, but I've been sick. Have sinus infection for like now 2 weeks. It's still there, but I thought I did my hair today and I love it. So I thought I will have a little bit chat with you, and I have lots of unboxing stuff here. Let me wear first lip oil because my lips not in the best. No makeup, as you can see. It's very hot here and humid, so I didn't feel great too, and I walked to the salon. That's why I thought, okay, just skincare and that's it. Anyway, let me start first with the sunglasses. This is the one I bought it, and I told you I will check if I like it or no. Saint Laurent, and actually I like it. I wear it today. Yeah, I think it's very classic, very simple. Yeah, I will keep it, just FYI. So this was accumulation stuff. I didn't buy all at the same time because it sounds crazy. Let me start first with Prada, because Prada, it's one of my favorite brand in everything actually. And sometimes the design get crazy, but other time I like it. And they finally did Beauty picked 03 Pulse eyeshadow palette. It's refillable, like you see in the back of the box, which I love that. Come on, it's very sleek, as the one mirror will be. Look, it's very sleek. And in the back, triangle, I think this is when you push it and change the palette. And it is silver with gold, which, who likes silver, he got it. Who likes gold, he got it. It's so pretty. And here it's Prada. And then and this is what I bought. 03 Pulse. But I like the different shades, different finishes. Yeah. I have with it the normal, but it was very nice package. The normal package, the standard of Prada. She like their shoes, and thick, which I like the material. And bonus, I have this one. That's cute. This is their classic style. A beautiful. I can put anything inside. I love it. Yeah. So this is Prada. I have two Dior. I was debating to buy it or no, and then I decided, do it, Neri. You will regret it later on. I bought the fall collection. I couldn't resist it. I bought only one eyeshadow palette, and I will start with the blush. It's very matte this time. This is Rouge blush, Grand Bal. I don't know what is the number. Let's open it together. And they removed the pouch, the velvet pouch too. 537 Grand Bal Satin. Let me have a look. As expected. As expected. Ooh, even more beautiful than online. In person, it's beautiful shade. And I bought one palette, of course. If you know me, you know what I'm going to pick. I picked the darker one. So this, and it is the Rouge Saga 683. let's open it. Can't wait for this one too. This is the new packaging, the CD like that here, and the Dior, it's all capital. Wow, yeah, it's very hard for Dior to fail me. Yeah, this is beautiful. Camera doesn't do justice, but it's beautiful. They are beautiful. One makeup tutorial with both will be coming very soon. Gifts with purchase for the pouch that they always Dior put it, and I get J'adore l'or sample, and I get, this is new too, Essence de Parfum J'adore l'or. I love the packaging. They changed the package too. This is cute. I didn't open it. Huh. Can you see that? This is nice. Sorry about my nails. I didn't have time to do it. I was so sick. Yeah, I like it. Yeah. This is the one. Plus, I have very nice raffia. I love it too. It's open like that, and it has, yeah, it's very nice actually. Yeah, I have the other raffia too, the pouch. Yeah, it's so pretty. Nice raffia. I get this one too. And I have unboxing video for the real hand and face cream. I will put the link down below for you guys to see it. And yeah, this will be very nice and handy to put it in your small bag. And that's it for this video. I have another one. Maybe you will find me with the same clothes because I will do it after this one. Chanel products, so be tuned, and I will put all the links of what I show it to you and down below to support my YouTube channel. That you don't pay any extra, nothing. It's just if you buy from my links, I will have a certain commission to support my channel because I buy everything with my own money. And please, if you like all what I'm doing in my videos, it's all about luxury life, luxury food, luxury makeup, luxury beauty. Please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.